Today we have a 2026 Rockwood travel trailer. This 8336BH is 36 feet and 8 inches in length, has a dry weight of 9,669 pounds, and can sleep up to 10 guests. The exterior of this unit features some storage compartments on both sides of the unit. This unit also features an outdoor kitchen. It features a small fridge with storage drawer underneath, small cabinet for storage, and griddle. This unit also features a 4-point stabilizing system. Inside the unit, we see the mid-living and kitchen area. Starting with the living area, we see the smart TV and electric fireplace. Across from that is a hide-a-bed sofa. To the right of the sofa is the large U-shaped dinette, and finally we see the cabinets for storage. Moving on to the kitchen area, we see the large island with oversized single-bowl sink. Here we see the 21-inch range, over-the-range microwave, pull-out trash can, 12-volt refrigerator, and pantry closet. Moving towards the front of the unit, we'll see the bathroom. This room features a porcelain foot flush toilet, mirror, and residential sink, walk-in shower with sliding glass door, and linen closet. Here we have the master bedroom. This room features a doorway to the bathroom, queen bed with storage underneath, countertop with storage underneath, and wardrobe that is prepped for a washer and dryer. Finally, in the very rear of the unit, we have the bunkhouse. This room features a lofted bunk with TV, wardrobe, and cabinets for storage underneath. On the other side of the bunkhouse, we see the flip-down bunk with the hide-a-bed sofa underneath. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.